Happy snowy Monday, Torrent Tires. Miss Cassie from the high school team here to read to you a story called It's Snowing about lots of different snow. And at the end, I'm going to show you an experiment where we can make a snowstorm in a jar. And it's perfectly fitting because if I look outside today, there's snow on the ground and it's snowing right now. It's Snowing by Gail Gibbons. Small, soft flakes fall quietly from above. It's snowing. It is cold, and winter clouds fill the sky. Clouds form when water evaporates from rivers, lakes, and oceans, and then rises and cools. Clouds are made up of billions and billions of droplets of water floating in the air. As the air gets colder, the droplets of water freeze. Several frozen droplets join together to form ice crystals. Ice crystals come in many shapes and designs. Here's a few of them. Ice crystals of all shapes and sizes float into one another and join together to create a snowflake. Soon, more and more ice crystals attach themselves, making the snowflake larger. When snowflakes get large and heavy enough, they fall from the clouds. It's snowing. Scientists believe that no two snowflakes look exactly alike. Each one appears to be different in design, shape, and size from all other snowflakes. Snowflakes almost always have either 6 sides or 6 points. Snow falls on all 7 continents. Snow most often falls in places where winters are cold, but it can snow in places where winters are usually warm. In Europe, it snows. In Africa, it snows in the mountains. In Asia, it can be bitterly cold and snowy in this desert. In Australia, they ski in the mountains. In South America, it's snowy in the mountains. In Antarctica, it's snowy, but less snow falls there than on other continents. That's surprising. And here's the equator right here. And the further away from the equator, usually the more snow you get. Snow falls to the ground in different ways. We say that it is snowing when there is a steady snowfall. Snow flurries. There are snow flurries when it snows lightly and for short periods of time. Snow flurries can start and stop, and then start and stop again. It is sleeting when snowflakes partially melt as they fall and then freeze again before they hit the ground. Sleet can be dangerous. It can be slippery outside. There is a snowstorm when a lot of snow falls. It may be windy. It can snow for hours. It can even snow for days. Snow covers the ground. A blizzard happens when lots and lots of snow falls. The wind is howling. The snow is drifting. There can be whiteouts. Blizzards can be dangerous. A whiteout occurs when there is a heavy snowfall with strong winds. It's very hard to see. Meteorologists often warn about dangerous conditions when a snowstorm or a blizzard is approaching. People are told to stay at home. Schools and businesses may close. And that's when we sometimes get a snow day. A winter storm watch means that a storm may be coming. A winter storm warning means that it is coming. And a blizzard warning means that it may be heavy snow and wind. After a big storm, there's a lot of work to be done. Snowplows push snow off the roads and highways. Walkways are shoveled. Snow can be fun. People bundle up to stay warm and dry when they go outside. Kids build snowmen and snow forts. Swish! Some people go skiing and snowboarding. Sleds and toboggans slide down hillsides. Some children make snow angels. Others take long walks in the quiet countryside. It is beautiful and peaceful all around. Snow can be helpful in many ways. It acts like a huge blanket that protects plants and wildlife. As the snow melts, water trickles into rivers and streams. It also seeps into the ground where plants will grow when warmer weather returns. Look all around. The snow is beautiful. Hey everybody, Miss Cassie from the high school team here, and we heard that there's some snow coming, and since we're approaching on winter, and we're going to be talking about winter and the month of December, it's almost into December, so we are going to make a snowstorm in a jar. And what we need for this is a jar, water, white paint, baby oil, Alka-Seltzer tablets, and optional glitter. And our first step is to take the water and to mix white paint into it. And mix it up really good, and so where it looks, so you can see white. So we need to mix it in. We're gonna go a little bit more white paint. Mix it up really good here. We want to be able to tell the water apart from the baby oil. Now we're going to pour that white water into the jar. There's a little bit of paint on the bottom. So we're going to stir it up some more.
It looks like milk.
It kind of does look like milk, doesn't it? Okay.
Yeah, it does.
Now we're going to take our spoon out, put that off to the side, and we're going to open our baby oil. Okay, we're going to take our baby oil. We're going to pour about the same amount of baby oil as we used in water. So we use about a cup of water. You're going to want to just adjust your volumes to the size of jar you use if you do this at home. Doesn't sound silly. Okay, we've got our 1 cup of baby oil, and we're going to carefully pour it on top of our water. And oil and water don't mix, so it should just kind of sit on the top if we pour it in gently. We're going to let that set a minute so it separates, because it mixed a little bit, but it's going to separate. You can definitely see there's 2 different liquids there.
That doesn't.
No. All right, I'm going to add a little bit more baby oil to the top. All right, so once we have the baby oil on the top, looks like this, we're going to add some glitter. The glitter is optional, but the glitter makes it look like snow and sparkly snow. So just shake in a bunch of glitter. We're going to open this up nice and big, get lots of glitter in there. And again, the glitter is optional, but we like, you can put as much or as little in there as you'd like. Okay. And we had a giant glob of glitter that just fell to the bottom, but that's okay, because 1, we put in, so here's what it looks like now. So you can still see there's two difference and the glitter sunk down into the water, the paint water spot. But we definitely have our baby oil right here. We can. Okay, we're gonna take our Alka-Seltzer tablet and we're gonna drop it in and we're gonna see what happens. So I'm gonna lift it up here so we can see it. Take our tablet, drop it in. Let's look and see what happens. Whoa, whoa. Do you see what's coming up? Do you see the snow rising up into the, maybe we put another one in there and see if it really goes. Looks like a snowstorm though, kind of, right? All the snow blowing around. Another one in.
Looks like a explosion.
Then yeah, snowstorm, like a blizzard.
That's what I said.
Let's see, let's watch. Look and see. Can see that snow come up into the, and it looks like a blizzard in there, a snowstorm. And I heard from the person who I read their website on, they made this, that you can keep using this jar. So you can set it off to the side and you can use it later. You can put more Alka-Seltzer tablets in and it'll make a snowstorm again. You just gotta put a lid on it.